Hi. Now I'm going to show how to draw an isometric view and the basic requirements for that. Okay, I'm going to take the new sheet. So it is AutoCAD drawing, and very first thing you need to do is you need to switch on snap, right click on and go to the settings of the snap, change the rectangular snap to isometric snap. So this is the first thing you need to do, and this one you white spacing you make it 10, and grid white spacing also you make it 10. That is the very first thing you need to do, and click OK. So then you can switch on the grid, and we'll set the limits. It's a landscape view. It's a landscape view, so you need to set the limits. Upper right corner is always as we know 0, lower left corner is 0, 0, and upper right corner is 300, 210. So 210. So you'll get this. Now do the zoom. Z enter A enter. So zoom out. So you'll get the view. Okay, once that is done, we can make the rectangle, and from corner to corner we'll make a box. So that will be our border. So we'll make the box. If you press the F5, we can change the direction of the drawing. So that is the main key in drawing an isometric projection. So I'll click on the line command. So I'm going to draw bottom of our box, bottom portion of a box. You switch on ortho, so that you'll get straight lines. Press F5. I'm going to draw the bottom of the box, and the length is 100 mm. So type 100 mm and press enter. Then if you go up, the height of the box is 50 mm. So type 50. Once that is done, you can see 50 mm long line. Then again 100. Then come down and close the loop and press escape. You will come out of the command. Okay, then just continue making the box. Click in the corners, and if your press F5 and take the required direction, and length is 60, and this side again 100. Looking at the picture, this side you just close the loop, press escape. Okay. Again line command, click and come down. If you want, you're going to press F5 to change the direction. It's 50, and this side you just close the loop. Click on the line command again, press F5 if you want in that direction, type 100. This side, close the loop. Press again on the line command, click. If it is not coming this way, press F5 and click and end. So once this is done, you almost have your box. Now we are going to do a command called offset. Offset will help you copy a line in a particular distance. So you can offset a line in a distance. So I'm going to type OFF offset command, and it is asking for the offset distance. As you can see here, it is asking for offset distance. This is the offset distance it is asking. You give it as 5, because 5 is the thickness, that is the distance at which you need your other line. So you need to switch off the snap. That will be easy to help you draw the offset without much hassles. So if you simply click on the line you need and click inside, you can click on left or right. So left side, if you click your copied line or the offset line will come 5 mm to the left side, or right side, if you click your copied or the offset line will come 5 mm to the right side. So I'm clicking inside, so that's why the line is coming inside. Okay, so I've done the offset. So once that is done, I'm going to do the trimming. So press escape to come out of the offset command. So I'm going to do the trimming here. So trim, type trim, press enter. So I'm going to select the object. So basically I'll select everything and press enter. So once that is done, I'll zoom it and I'll start trimming. So I don't need this, don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this. So this, 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 this. So whatever is not visible, you just trim and take it off. That's all. That will give you a real 3D view of your box. I think now you can perceive your uh, work, like whatever you have drawn, which looks like a box. So once that is done, I'm going to draw the upper box, upper side. So I'll click on the line command again, click this side. See the thickness of that is 20 mm. Take 20. I'm going to go to the other side. Other side, I'm going to go it's 100. This side I'm going to come, I'm going to close the loop. Okay, once this is done, we'll make the top of the box. I'm going to do press F5. Okay, its height is 60. This way 20. Five and just type 20. This way, just close it. Press F5. So F5 is everything in isometric drawing. So now do the offset. Type offset. Whatever you need to offset, you just click on that. You know what is the command for that. The default value 5 is already there, so you just need to press enter. That is it. And whatever you need to offset, you click, 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 and you'll get all the whatever offset you need. Okay, and press escape. Now you need to do the trimming. Type trim, press enter, select the objects to trim, select everything to trim, press enter. So once you have it, you can do the trim. So whatever line is crossing each other, you can do the trim. If you want to undo, you just press U and type press enter, so it will undo. So you can roll your mouse and zoom in, zoom out. That is also possible. Once that is done, this is done. Now it looks like a box. We will be drawing the keyhole. Keyhole is a little bit tricky. We cannot directly draw a keyhole. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to draw an ellipse. So for that some prerequisites are there. So we'll be drawing at the center of the box in front. So select midpoint, click OK. Now we will click on the ellipse. In the ellipse you can see arc, center and isocircle. So press I to have the isocircle. So it should be an isocircle because it is 3D view. So click on that, and it is on the other way. Press F5, it will come to this side, and the diameter is radius is 15. So 15, press enter. So once that is done, but you cannot offset an isocircle. You should actually you can copy an isocircle. Okay, So don't offset, I will never offset an isocircle. So what I'll do is, you need to have a trace for that. So what I'll do is, I'll draw a small line from this midpoint to the next midpoint. So press F5, so midpoint to next one. So that will be like a trace line that will help you take the isocircle. I think this is a little longer, but click from this midpoint to this midpoint. So I will have a line. So I'll do the copy. Type copy, press enter, select the object. So this is my object, press enter again. So I'll copy from here to here. So I have my isocircle copy. So once that is done, I'll join the lines. So I'll go to OSNAP settings. I'll switch on intersection. So intersection, once that is on, click OK. Click on the line from this intersection to the next intersection. I will join lines from this intersection to next intersection. I will join line and press escape. So I have this much. Now what I'm going to do is, I'll delete this line. This line was just was for copy and like a reference line. So I'll delete the line. Click, delete the line. Now I'll do the trim again. Type trim, press enter, select the objects to trim. So I'll select everything and press enter. I'll start trimming. So I don't need this side, definitely I don't need this. I don't need this, this, I don't need this, this. I think I need that, but I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. 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 But this line is going, so I'll have to extend those lines. So I'll do that. So what I'll do is, I'll delete this line. Let's escape. I'll delete this line, and I'll extend that line from here. From here, I'll join this line. And that's it, the box is ready. Thank you.